Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the new updates that we did in our scalping software. Our first update is auto averaging both direction. In the earlier version, we can do auto averaging only one direction. That means when price is falling from our buy price, we do auto average. In this version, we can do auto averaging positive direction also. That means when price is rising by some points, we can do auto average. Okay, so click auto average and give some negative values to do auto average when price is falling. Here I set -4 and maximum time I want 3 times maximum to do this averaging function. Okay, after setting these things I am placing order. Okay, here 55 I am placing P order. Okay, P. Okay, here my average price is 86.80. so when price is falling from 86 to 82, that means -4, it will add 150 more quantities because our first order quantity is 150 quantities, so it will add 150 more to our existing position. I am exiting this trade and I am placing order again. Okay, here my average price is 99 rupee. Okay, 300 quantities, 150 more quantities added. Our new buy price is 97 rupees. Earlier it was 99. Okay, this is how auto average works. It can take order up to 3 times. Okay, I am exiting this position now. Next, in positive direction, let's enter for here, and here when we are in profit, it will do auto average. Okay, let's see. Okay, look at this, 150 more quantities added. Our average price is 99 and again 150 quantities added. Again 150 quantities added. Totally 600 quantities. Our maximum orders are placed. From 150 it has reached 600 quantities. This is how auto averaging positive direction works. Okay, I'm squaring up this position now. Our next update is auto exit. That means how long it should wait after taking a trade. Okay, that means if you enable auto exit and this is time 1 minute or 2 minutes. If you set 1 minute here, after placing order it will wait 1 minute and will square off the position, and no matter whether the trade is in profit or in loss. Okay, let's do one more trade. Order is placed. Here the time is 250. In 260 it will exit the position completely. Okay, the order is exited after 1 minute. Okay, this is how auto exit works. Next, profit SL and profit target. Here you can set the target in amount. Okay, instead of points or percentage, we can enter target in amount. Here, if 1000 rupees profit is reached, it will exit the order, or 1000 rupees loss is reached, it will exit the order. Okay, let's do this. Okay, 1000 rupee profit is reached and order is exited. This is how profit target and profit SL looks. Okay, in indicator session we have added PCR value. Okay, PCR of Banknifty. You can see the PCR here and trending OA here, and total change in call OA, total change in put OA. Okay, these are the new indicators added. You can use these indicators in your strategies. Okay friends, I hope this video is helpful for all. If you want this software, please check out the website mdotkcodez.com. If you want to know more information about this software, please join our Telegram group, link given in description. If you have any queries, feedbacks or suggestions, please let me know in comments. Thank you so much for watching.